At India Hikes, we believe that all children must trek, and we want to make sure that that actually happens. But now we see that parents are not very comfortable with sending their children into the outdoors. Even playing around in parks, they are so careful and they're so worried that something is going to happen to them. So asking them to send their children on a trek, wherever, even if it's a local trek or the Himalayas, was, we felt, too big a step to take right in the beginning. Which is why we decided that let's call them along with the family. Let parents come with their children and let the children get exposed to nature, to feel a part of nature, to connect with rocks and soil and mountains and trees. And while the parents are also with them, and parents also connect with nature along with the children. Because children are also very much dependent on their parents. And in isolation, if they have an experience and the parents haven't had that same experience, then there is a kind of a, gap over there. When the parents come along with their children, many things happen. One is they see their children in a completely new light, because children outside their homes are amazing. They take on responsibility, they are so enthusiastic. Even difficult things that they fuss about at home is something that they would just do over here, because they are free and they are happy and they are in nature. It's wonderful to see children here. And when the parents see their kids like this for the first time, it changes their whole perception of who their children are. Similarly, children see their parents very differently, because when they come with us on the family treks, we talk to the children about how they need to take care of their parents, make sure that their parents have eaten, make sure that their parents are warm, see that they drink water regularly. We kind of change the dynamics, because children are much more energetic, and while parents are struggling to walk and climb, they are like running up and down. So when they see this, that also makes children much more empathetic. And you see that shift, it's beautiful to see. I have personally been there, and I have seen the way parents talk about this shift in the way they see children, and the children the way they talk about their parents. Now, not just the learning or the experience that comes here, but also the family bond becomes so much stronger. In the cities, everybody has their own thing to do. Parents are constantly concerned about work and about the children's schooling and academics, and constantly busy with just living and life. And kids also very much involved in what they have to do. They have their homework, they have their classes, they have their friends, they have their gadgets. So nobody actually spends quality time in a city. But here it's completely different. None of the trappings of the city, none of the distractions of the city exist over here on a trek. And the bonding, the conversations that come, the sitting together and reflecting, going through difficulties and struggling together, seeing each other in a different way, it has a tremendous impact on the family bond. And the priceless memories that are formed of this, I'm sure children, their whole life would value that memory right into their adulthood. And who wouldn't want that? Which is why, for us, family treks serve multiple purposes. It enables us to bring children into nature. It enables families to connect much better. And it brings a beautiful experience which forms a lifetime memory.